better watch out, leave your enemies a road ahead. A full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day with the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he throws me. He gets caught through a big piss rock. And if you cross me, you might drop too. I'm protective, my adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. You can say the wrong thing, but you don't know